In this session, we're going to cover the image URL column type. To begin, we're going to build a simple grid using the country hierarchy and some basic metrics. And in fact, to make the analysis a little simpler to digest, we're going to use a list of countries that I've built in advance, which is a shortened list of the hierarchy. Using the flag hierarchy here underneath the countries dimension, which has been set to have type image URL, we're going to pull out the URL as an image rather than the text for the URL itself. When I put it into the drop zones, you can see we get the image that is behind that URL address rather than the text. Using image size, I can change the size of the image as it appears in the grid, or in fact in any visual. And like any other drop zone and any other kind of chip, I can move the chips around to produce the visual the way I prefer to see it. In this case, I'm now looking at country and flag broken out by color. You notice that the URL can also be seen in the tooltip, and it is shown again as the image itself. This makes it very handy for seeing the images in all parts of the visualization. In the next part of this demo, we're going to look at the same features shown in a column chart, and you can see that I'm looking at the flag and country as the category elements of the chart, and these items can also be shown as part of any legend of any given visual, as you can see here. Like every other element in a legend, you can point and click and select and highlight elements as you would expect. The last part of this demonstration is taking the image URL item and using it as a slice. You'll notice that the slice is rendered using the image rather than the text, and this can provide a very convenient way for people to filter data based on images rather than text elements. You can imagine applying this idea to product images, customer images, or anything that can be shown as a graphic rather than as text.